So I do want to get started with showing you guys how to simplify and how to minimalize things. They're looking at a squirrel outside. And then so that's my two cats. Catcher, Hazel. They're looking at a squirrel outside. So I finished cooking. Breakfast was really good. So after I eat breakfast, I take my vitamins. It's really good to take vitamins after you eat breakfast in the morning so your body can really absorb what you eat. These are my vitamins I have right here, but I take a lot more vitamins. I have other ones that are single vitamins. They're not multivitamins. And I want to focus on more hair growth and hair strength and overall hair health and everything. And so I've been taking biotin for a few years. When I had hair damage about 4 years ago, I discovered biotin. And so I've been taking biotin, and I just learned about biotin in a liquid form. And this is at Walmart for $8. It has a sweet berry taste to it. And so I changed and everything. I touched up on my lipstick and all. And so I'm gonna go ahead now and start a new vintage hairstyle tutorial. I threw my hair into hot rollers and I made breakfast and I cooked and I ate with the hot rollers. And I usually keep them in for about an hour. All right, so dress of the day. This is my go-to favorite dress I like to wear when I'm doing some gardening or when I'm just outdoors enjoying some nature. It's like my outdoor dress basically. I like how it's simple, very easy to wear, very simple, very breathable. I like this little feature that it has. I got it from a thrift store many years ago. I'm back. It was pretty warm today actually. It was pretty hot. I was very surprised. This hairstyle may last about 2 to 3 days, most likely 2 days. And so I do have everything completed for this tutorial. It'll be out most likely before this video gets released. So look out for this tutorial on how to create 1940s inspired victory rows for Memorial Day weekend. So I do want to get started with showing you guys how to simplify and how to minimalize things. So I do want to show you guys how to simplify some basic things to get practice maybe. And I want to get started with simplifying some of my fragrances and lotions and bath type of items. Mostly my designer fragrances. The rest of my fragrances are on my vanity. And then I'm also going to reorganize my vanity again. I just finished restaining it and fixing it up, adding some stuff to it and everything. And so these are the rest of my designer fragrances. Like this is Versace. So I just want these fragrances stored away. I don't want them on my vanity top anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and just simplify everything down and just make it more minimalist.